Welcome to our coverage of breaking legal news. Today we bring you details on the case of 28-year-old Miranda Crystal Pollard, who has been charged with 2 criminal offenses following an incident on January 29, 2025. Pollard faces charges for DUI, driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and resisting an officer without violence.
Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you.
Yeah, someone's over something.
Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make it up.
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump gave it.
42694.
That is.
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration, and
No.
your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida state statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands on me.
I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this.
I'm
I'm in charge. Do you understand me?
I'm very much so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No, because you put
Then
your
how are
hands
you
on me.
complying? I
Because
did.
you put your hands on
I
me.
did because
I can
you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did because you are failing to produce your identification.
I did not, officer.
Did it?
I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put your hands on me.
When I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your
registration,
hands on
proof
me.
insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your driver's
put
license?
Your hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
Your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
you're
being
put your
detained.
hands on me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What are
being
you doing?
detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't even tell me what you pulled me out of the car.
And put your hands behind your
You're
back.
putting your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands
Officer,
behind your back.
I literally have seizures, and you're
Turn
putting your
around
hands on
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
Turn around
you're
and
putting
put your hands
on me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
Turn around and put your hands behind your
No,
back.
you're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please.
I got it. Just get on the side. I got it. Guys, listen to me.
I got it.
I didn't do anything.
Hey, listen. Get on the side.
You didn't even ask for anything.
Relax. Hey,
relax.
Behind your back.
Please,
Relax.
no,
Relax.
you're hurting me.
I got him.
You
Relax.
didn't offer
Let's
me
go.
anything.
Relax.
You didn't offer
Hey.
me anything.
There's no
Stop.
You didn't
Relax.
offer me anything.
Relax.
Officer, you're hurting me.
Relax.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the
I
car.
didn't do anything.
Listen.
Here.
You're hurting
Go ahead
me.
and fix this.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do anything.
Just relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I was
relax.
at a yellow light.
Hey, what's your name?
I
what's
was
your
at a
name?
yellow light.
I
What the
understand the
heck?
yellow light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He did a U-turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey,
I was at a full stop.
just will slip
He's
these.
hurting me.
He's not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Damn, they won't come out now.
It's all right. Take
Deputy
your time.
Baker.
Hey,
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn. And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me. As a woman.
Right here.
I cooperated and then he tried to put me to the ground. I promise you, Deputy Baker.
Take a breath.
I'm trying to take a deep breath.
She hasn't been searched. I don't know if she's got
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me from the get-go.
I don't believe. We got Kristen,
He did.
but she's way down at Zimmel. 426. Where's 417 Ave? She's available for a search.
And what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male.
She's showing on top at 10-1.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke or stick? Quick, easy question. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Hey, you're not
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna try to pull everything
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me. I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and then he put me. I didn't even say shit. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. I don't know if this got a hoodie, like a pocket on.
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you have. I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully, and you hurt me.
Well,
You put your hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No, but you put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you pulled me out of the car, and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that, and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you.
No, you're not. Yeah.
Go
I didn't do anything wrong.
What's that? Give me 1 second. This was going to be a simple traffic stop, dude, for fail to stop.
What happened?
I think she's signal 1.
Oh.
I can smell it on her breath while she's yelling at me. Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She's smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time. Bottle over there. I don't even know her name. That is like soaking wet. What is that? Be careful. What the fuck is that? What is that? Dude, what did I touch? What did I touch, dude?
I don't know.
Hey, please don't lose that beer bottle. I'm going to take a picture of it because I think she's signal 1. See, you see a trunk button?
Trunk release somewhere.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to start looking. Maybe. Let me sign in. I gotta get signed into Elvis and everything. Don't open that, dude.
I didn't do anything wrong. I went to the Circle K. You can even go there. I asked if I left my phone there. I was like, they were like, no, I didn't leave my phone. I was just retracing my steps. I didn't do anything. He pulled me out of the car trying to make me look like a fucking idiot.
Well, like I said, okay, everything that we do here at the Sheriff's Office is on body cam, okay, and I can personally.
It's not on body cam because it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
it doesn't matter because I'm already out on bond and they're trying to make
you're
me
making excuses and talking over.
No, it's making me look like a dumbass.
Everything's on
This
body
Punta
cam.
Gordas make me look like an
And I
ass.
personally know
If I go to jail right now,
Okay,
my
he's
bond
not
is going to get
that
revoked. Yes, I know.
That's a decision.
My bond is going to get revoked, and then I'm going to be sitting like a dumbass just because I'm out on curfew. I know for a fact this nigga just made me look like a dumbass and pulled me out of the fucking car like I did something wrong. He didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
Well, first and foremost, your choice of words that you're deciding to use today is not exactly.
My name is Miranda.
I know Miranda.
Miranda writes. I know that everything can be used against me when I say something.
Miranda warning. Let's hear it. Okay, it's your Miranda.
It's not Miranda
It's
warning.
actually constitutional rights if you want to get all technical.
Miranda is my name.
I know.
You asked me what my name was. My name is Miranda.
What's your last name, Miranda?
Right, but I didn't do anything
Right.
wrong.
WRIGHT?
Right.
She keeps saying, yeah, that's what she keeps saying. Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
Because you reek of alcohol.
No. That was literally like, I literally got off work at 8 o'clock.
Second.
I missed.
You know what time it is now?
Yes. 8 o'clock in the morning. Exactly.
I don't know her name. All I got is Miranda so far.
And I woke up and I was like, oh, I
There's nothing popping up in
after
ACES.
Is she not giving it to you?
She said Miranda Wright, but there's nothing in ACES. So I'm going to check Zerker because she's been arrested. My car, do you smell that in my car? Yeah, she's Sigma 1.
him to be able to touch me as a male.
She's probably
And then
gonna
he said,
refuse
because
everything,
you
I'm
want
sure.
who you identify as. Trump is in office now. So there's no rights to be a
Sarge
male
knows her,
and
doesn't he?
female. There's no other end. There's no other end to that. So don't try to belittle me and make me seem like I'm a male or female.
Sarge
I said
know?
I'm a female.
Does Sarge
and I
know?
would like to talk to someone that's a
So
female.
let me ask you this.
He said he's dealt with her.
If your dad is dying on the phone, are you not going to let a female...
I'm not going. I don't give a fuck about my dad. I give a fuck about my constitutional rights, and he put his hands on me, and he actually pinched my nerve, and he actually got to the point to where I could even talk about who I was and what my name was because he made it uncomfortable. I literally was trying to talk to him and say what was the problem,
Spontaneously
and I literally
uttering stuff or what?
is trying to be told a lie. I know for a fact it was a lie. I made a left turn after the fact. He had to come behind me. If he would have came before me, it would make sense. But I passed after him. I waited for him to pass. I put my turning signal on. The yellow light was going. At the left turning signal, right there at the Circle K, I made a left after the deputy that was driving the vehicle went straight.
There you go.
And there was
What's
two
her name?
semi-trucks.
Amanda
I
Pollard.
went to the closest right to me. To the closest lane right to me. And then the two semi-trucks were on the far right with the racetrack were. And I went to the left. So then after that fact, that's when the deputy made a full U-turn to come behind me, and that's my stop.
Oh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. She's valid.
She's valid.
She's valid.
She got her stuff fixed, so.
Because I didn't think it was any problem. I thought it was a concern for me. I thought it was a concern for me. Because deputy's supposed to worry about the fuck what I'm doing as far as it's my concern. If anything, they're supposed to make sure I get home safe. Now I have to go to jail, like I did with the Milton shit. I didn't know anything about Punta Gorda. I didn't know anything about fucking Port Charlotte. I went to fucking jail.
Can you copy one by name and date of birth, please?
And here we go again. I'm driving safely.
Last
safe
name
and
Pollard,
soundly.
Paul,
My
Ocean, Lincoln, Adam, Robert, David.
to the closest
First
lane
name
right to me.
Miranda, Mary,
And
Ida,
in a
Robert,
fucking
Adam,
U-turn.
Nora, David,
And I
Adam,
stopped
then
where
initial
they
C
need to
for
be
Crystal.
safe. We're both
Her
looking
date of
to be
birth is
safe. And you pull me out
June
the
6,
vehicle,
1996.
I'm confused and concerned. And what the fuck is happening? Because I'm lost. I'm frustrated. I'm flustered.
10-4. Are you showing her
As
on
a
any type of
Miranda?
bond or probation?
As a Miranda, who I am, is frustrated and confused. I would have came out here after I went to bed and woke up and found out my phone was misplaced. I didn't come out here on a drunk moment. I work at Winn-Dixie, right here on Fairmount.
Central.
Yes, I do. And I have to be there at 3:30. I'm a grocery person. I have to sit in handcuffs. I haven't been treated like a motherfucking person that lives in Punta Gorda since I got here. This is fucking bullshit. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm upset because I'm like to be upset. People think I'm lying. Every time I come here and every time I fucking get you bullshit, I made a fully legal left turn with my emergency.
Am I waiting for Kristen to search her or something?
Yeah, well, I mean, what do you got her on right now?
Oh, I have suspicion of DUI. She's going, Sarge.
Yeah, that's.
So,
You got DUI too.
yeah, no.
hammered.
Yeah, I agree. I'm going to ask her if she wants to do SFEs. Hey, Miranda, I got a question for you, okay? Listen, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Would you be willing to...
I would be.
You'd be willing to complete standardized field sobriety for me?
I would be, because I wasn't under the influence. I was looking for my vehicle. Looking for my car in my friend's vehicle.
Okay.
I didn't go anywhere, and you know that I didn't. You made a U-turn behind me.
I did, because I saw you...
You made a U-turn behind me because it was on a yellow light, and I had the right of way, and I made the right turn.
That's incorrect. I told you why I pulled you over. You failed to stop.
And even after that...
Listen, I'm not arguing. Give me just a second.
With you.
You are, though.
She refused.
Huh? No, she just told me she would do it.
When I do my supplement today, I'll put in there everything.
Very strong odor, dude.
Oh, yeah. And she's got the bloodshot water and everything. So. All right.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate the help. Yeah, she said she's willing to do it. She's convinced that I stopped her because she went through the yellow light, and I'm like, that's not why we're stopped.
She wants to argue about it instead of listening. So.
Yeah, well, that's my concern right now is if I get her out of this car, she's just going to keep arguing with me, and I don't know how far I'm going to get through these exercises.
Well, you give her the opportunity, and if she's not compliant, then...
Because I can tell you, after her resisting me, trying to get cuffs on her, I don't want to take them back off, Sarge. I'll be 100% honest with you.
If she's willing to say that she's going to do it, we'll take them off. But
yep. Let me just get all this prepared, and then I'll...
Yeah, let's make room for it. See if we can back up. Yeah.
Shadow him, if that's alright.
Jesus.
What is that?
Dragging his cooler.
Yeah, it's a cooler.
Oh.
It's absolute truck.
Just be by his side.
Yeah.
That way you watch what he's doing. We're going to be around the area just in case he tries to do anything. Comes to run off or anything like that. And he's going to back up and use this white line here.
Okay.
And Kristen will be here to do a quick search of her.
I have it.
Good? You want to grab it? Up to you.
No, it's fine. Give me just a second, okay? I'm gonna come around and talk to you, okay? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna come around and talk to you because it's hard to hear you from up here, okay? Give me just 1 minute. I think she believes that I'm about to do a breathalyzer, and I think that's what she agreed to do because she's asking me if I pass the breathalyzer right here, am I gonna go free?
Oh, okay. Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that what the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason.
I'm not
for the
debating
stop,
that,
okay?
but I know
Okay.
you know
What
that
we're
I've
asking you
been
to
stopped
do.
before, and
Sure.
I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
What we're we're asking you to do is
Right.
field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic
Dude,
violation?
I'm not going to tell you one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that, but
I'm not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that
I'm
we're
being
gonna...
very, very understanding, and I'm
okay.
trying to understand what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if I were to pass or not pass, where is the violation that I committed?
Okay. Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over there screaming at us, okay?
No, I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to show that he literally put me over when I told him that I was a woman. I would rather be a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option, but
you
what
don't
made me
get to select
upset?
what police officer.
Come on, I'm talking to you as literally. I know you before. You met me before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me what can I identify as, and I'll identify as a male or female. So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful because the way he said it.
That's how you perceive it, okay?
But exactly, and that
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of what he said.
So at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
no,
not submit? Okay.
Perfect.
I want to submit, but I need to know the answers to that.
You're under arrest for DUI. Thank you. That makes it easy. Please excuse my trash down there. I'll clean it up. Is this your phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out.
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
we just asked you and you
no, that's not what
refused.
you said. You made
That's
me feel
exactly
like
what
as
we
if I was
said.
going to jail regardless.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, y'all are tripping.
426 Central.
426.
Can I get next on rotation for that Cadillac?
Already got it.
Oh, perfect.
10-4, it's going to be Cleveland.
Thank you. So she's saying this isn't her phone, but I don't want to leave it in the car. It's a brand new phone, and it's obviously on. And she said she was looking for her phone, so I don't want to. I feel like that's her phone, and if I leave it in the car, huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Take it as her phone. That's part of her property.
Okay. I'll
I'll
find
leave
that.
Yeah, she said you refused her test.
Well, she just told us there's 4 of us
That's what
standing
Josh
here.
was saying.
Is it Jared's phone? Is this Jared's phone? Do you want me to just leave it in the car then for Jared? I can't hear you.
I tried to be as nice as I could to her. I kept telling her, I was like, listen, I don't want to throw you to the ground.
Well, I was trying to search her, and she kept like turning.
Yeah.
I was like, I need you to stop because she kept turning around.
She wants it
on me.
left? Okay. Hey, do you guys mind knocking out a tow sheet for me? Perfect. I'm going to get her to the jail that way. 426 Central. That female I ran is going to be 1015.
Ruin my life. You really gonna ruin my life?
I'll be en route to the jail. I'll put my starting in the CAD.
Sir? You really gonna ruin my life? Over a traffic stop?
Miranda, these are questions that you should know the answer to.
You didn't give me the right to do anything.
What do you mean?
You didn't.
I don't know. I don't understand what that means.
You know what that means.
I truly, I don't.
You do.
Pollard now faces the legal consequences as she moves through the judicial process. The charges against her include serious implications, but it's important to remember that everyone is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Remember to stay tuned for all the latest crime updates from SoCalCrime, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment down below.